What's up, ladies? It's Janée, and I'm back this week to show you guys how I take a basic look and turn myself into a baddie in less than 10 minutes. Because I can admit, I'm not a baddie every day. I'm not. I'm just not. It's too much work. But if there's something important going on, or an event I want to attend, or a dinner, or a happy hour, whatever, I want to be able to turn myself into that bitch. I do. So here's how. So this is how I would normally look if I was going to work and knew I had a date after or a special event to go to after. I would try to wear something that I know I could wear both to work and to the event. But I want to step my after work look up a little bit. I'm going to come to work with the beat, which is what I have, but it's a subtle beat, like it's a natural beat. But I'm going to turn this look up. So I have created a baddie starter kit. One thing that I mentioned in my baddie starter kit is that you need lashes. So I have my lashes on deck, and they're my favorite, my Kiavas by Wallash. I'm currently in the process of trying to get more. I'm praying that she restocks them because these are on their last days. Before I put the lashes on, I'm going to make sure that I have a little bit of liner. Like I have a little mascara on, which is nice for during the day. But to turn that up, I need to add some eyeliner and add some lashes. What I choose to use for eyeliner is black eyeshadow because it doesn't run. Every single time I use either a pencil, gel, or a cream, the liner always seems to smudge and like fall a little bit. That never happens when I use the powder. And some people say to just do your liner with the cream or the gel or the pencil and then just set it with this, but I still find I have that issue. So what I like to do is take my Milani eyebrow brush. It came with the pomade. So because I don't like a full heavy eyeliner, I'm only gonna do half of the eyelid with eyeliner. I'm gonna take my mirror. Let me just get close because I need to see. I'm gonna start in the center and then pull out. Okay, you see? You probably can't see, but I only started it from the center and on. That is going to make it look like I have liner on, but like I'm not going too hard with the liner. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with my other eye. Okay, so there we are. The liner's on. So now I'm gonna add the lashes. I swear lashes are so hard for me to do. Like this is really gonna be a gamble at the end of the day. I'm just letting y'all know up front. But here we go. I'm taking my lashes. It's easiest for me to apply them again with tweezers. So I'm going to take my lash glue, put some on my finger, my hand. I'm gonna take a lash with my tweezers. Okay, so they're on. You see how my look got turned up to like the next level just by me adding lashes. And once this white dries completely, it'll look more seamless because, the white could give it an illusion that it has a gap in it. But that's done. The next thing we need that I don't have on is we need to make my face pop a little bit. This is my Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion highlighter. I've had this for a while now and it's amazing. And then I have my fan brush that I got from, oh, it's a Signet brush. I didn't even realize I had Signet brushes, but I'm sure I got this because Makeup Shayla had it. So what I'm gonna do is add hella highlight, because now I'm bringing it from day to night, because highlight makes you look super glamorous and super fun. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm packing this brush. I'm just swooping it all around. You can see like now it's getting like whitish at the top because it's no longer brown. And then I'm just gonna strobe on my cheeks. Bam, 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 bam. And I'm just gonna go for a second because, you know, highlight is so important. You see that? Bam. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So now I look less dull, and now I have some light hitting me, some vibrance. The next thing is definitely gonna be lip gloss. I'm gonna just touch up my lipstick. I have a base on of Milani Beauty, and it just makes it gives it a nice color, and it makes it easier for me to slide on my matte lip color, because the Milani's nice and moisturizing, the matte is super drying. So, and I don't want dry lips, even without the gloss, you know? So I'm just gonna add that color all over. And then I'm gonna line my lips, because I like to keep them lined. And then I'm gonna take one of my favorite lip glosses, e.l.f. Jelly Pop. This is the cherry color, and I'm just gonna glide it on. Now, I wanna emphasize, you don't need lip gloss to make you a baddie, to transform you to a baddie. A matte lip will have you looking like a baddie, period. But I don't know, there's just something about lip gloss that makes me feel like I just went from basic to bad, you feel me? And that's why I do it. Now I'm looking date ready. Now I'm looking ready to be seen, and I'm excited now because I see it all coming together. And so what I'm gonna do, start accessorizing. So for this look, I chose a few different accessories. So I'm gonna put this little gold necklace on because I love it. It's really classy. I could have worn this with my basic look, but I felt like I wanted a more dramatic transformation, so I didn't. So here's the necklace. And I'm also gonna take my braids down, because on a date I would wear my braids down or my hair down or whatever. So this is where we're at with it. The green could be a little dramatic if you're just going to happy hour. I still would choose a blingy look, but I would choose my crystal hoops instead. So I just wanted to show you that color combo with the green, but in reality, these are the earrings I'd wear. They have the gold base that matches my necklace, but then they also have a little bling that makes your look turn up a little bit. So this is where we are. And now you're ready to go straight to your date from work. All you needed to add was eyelashes, lip gloss, highlighter, and accessories, and let your hair down. All right, y'all, so this was my basic to baddie look. I'm at baddie now. So just keep these steps in mind whenever you have a date, or you have somewhere to go after work, or after any place where you have to look chill and regular and then need to turn it up really quickly. If you have any questions, any suggestions, just let me know in the comments. Also, remember to please subscribe and please follow me on Instagram at JaneeJones_. I see you guys watching, but I don't see you guys all subscribing, and I would really, really appreciate that. And until next time, ladies, peace.